Okay, welcome to my channel, to my podcast, to my page. Right, you saw the video title. Why Shona people like Sandra Nebe so much? Why do Shona people like her so much? This woman, this lady by the name Sandra Nebe from Bulawai or from Matebele province, Matebele region. Why do Shona people go crazy whenever this name pops up in their brain, pops up in their heads, or at the back of their minds? This name Sandra Nebe. Why? All my time when I was growing up as a boy, and now I'm an adult, a young man, this is what I would always see, I would always hear, like, Southern Tebe, especially from the Mashonaland region, Mashonaland province, any town or any city under Mashonaland. Shona people going crazy, going mad whenever they hear this name. And whenever she comes to Harare or any town or city under Mashonaland to perform, to do a music business, to showcase the brand or style of your music. Shona people will go gaga. Shona people will go crazy, will go mad. But I want to know why. I want to know why. What causes Shona people to go crazy whenever they hear about this woman? What is in her that makes Shona people go crazy, go gaga, go mad? What is in her? What is she carrying? What does she do that makes Shona people to go crazy? What does she do? What does she carry? Your ambience, your environment, your everything. What happens within here that makes Shona people go crazy? For me, I think it's a high time I have to ask this on my platform. It's high time I have to know, I have to understand on this subject. What makes people go crazy? As I talk to you now, I got evidence. According to my study, according to my research, I have got tangible evidence to tell you or to inform you that most of your support, most of your support comes from Shona people. Most of your support or most of your value in terms of a music brand, music style, the support that she gets, the value that she gets, as far as a music brand is concerned, comes from Shona people. It stems from Shona people, particularly from Harar. Whenever she comes to Harar to host a show, to perform, to do her music, that venue will be packed, that venue will be jammed. A lot of traffic jam in Harar, a lot of traffic congestion in Harar, because Sandra is in town. Sandra Debele is in town, baby. Wow. But I want to know, right from the grassroots, deep down, what caused people to go crazy? These Shona people, Shona guys, what caused them to go crazy? What does she do? How does she perform? Or how does she perform? How does she do her things that make Shona people go crazy? In what way? In what caliber? In what sense? In what manner? You see, what does she do? Remember what I said. I've been hearing stories about her when I was growing up. And now I'm an adult. Now I'm a young man, exposed to a lot of things, exposed to internet, exposed to social media, exposed to towns, cities in Zimbabwe. Of course, I've never met this woman personally or physically, but these stories like, this woman, and people are always talking on social media platform about this woman. What causes people to go crazy whenever they hear about this name or when they see this woman performing? What does she do? How does she do it? How? What? I've got all these questions in my head, in my mind, in my brain. Please, you are listening to me. You are watching me in this video. Talk to me. Write, drop your comments in the comments box, comment section. I'll come and check them out. I'll come and see them out. We've got a talent in Zimbabwe. We've got a special gem. We've got a special woman in Zimbabwe by the name Sandandebe. I've never met her. I only see her photos on social media or rather on the internet. I'm like, okay, so this Sandandebe, okay, wow. I'm able to meet you through the internet. I'm able to meet you through the social media. I've never met a person. But from the Mashonaland region, this is the perception. People go crazy. They go gaga. They go mad whenever they see or they attend the shows. Whenever her name pops up in their brains, in their minds, at the top of their heads. But I want to know why, why? This is my question. Why only Sandra Ndebele? Why only Sandra Ndebele and not any other girl or any other lady, any other woman from Matebelen or from Bulawai? Why only her? What happens? Why only her? What is what is it? What is that special thing? What is that special thing that causes people to go gaga? What is that special thing that she carries, that she has, or that she possesses, or that belongs to her, that will make or cause people to go wild, to go gaga, to go crazy, either at a show, yeah, music shows in Harare, or any city, any town in Mashonaland? What is that special thing that she do or that she carries? Or maybe is it about how she says it? Is it about maybe in words from her mouth, from her lips? I don't know. People talk to me. Talk to me in the comment section. I want to know. I want to understand. I want to hear this thing. Inform me. Fill me in with information, with the data. I want to know. I want to understand. Otherwise, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.